Rhinoceroses or rhinos are large land animals which are most famous for their horned snouts. Some rhinos have 2 horns, while some just 1. The one you see here is the Indian rhino, which has just 1 horn. Rhinos are native to Africa and Asia. However, the Indian rhinos are primarily found in northern India and Nepal. Their habitat is quite varied. Rhinos have large bodies and stumpy feet. Their skin is very thick, which looks like armor. They have a good sense of hearing, but have a very poor eyesight. Some rhinos can be as long as 8 feet and about 5 feet tall at their shoulder. They can weigh as much as 5,000 kilograms. Rhinos are often seen enjoying a soak in water or mud. This protects their skin from insects, and the mud acts like a natural sunscreen. Rhinos are herbivores. They relish eating fruits, plants, leaves, and grass. Though solitary in nature, they are also seen in pairs, generally mother and offspring. A baby rhino is called a calf. Till around 3 years, calves generally stay with their mothers. These animals have an interesting toilet habit. They all go to a specific place to dump their excreta. The lifespan of rhinos is about 50 years. Some species of rhinos have been threatened to near extinction due to habitat loss and poaching. Hunters are attracted to rhinos' magnificent horn, which is valued for ornamental and medicinal use. We should stop killing these awesome animals before it is too late. Help the rhinos. Do your part.